This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Binary options trading involves significant risk and can result in the loss of your entire investment, vice, or a guarantee of profits.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Binary Trader for You. In today's video, I'm going to show you a real trade setup on Pocket Option that was based on a simple but important concept: support and price action. As you can see on the 1-minute chart, the market was approaching a clearly identified support area. This is an important zone because price had previously reacted from this level. Instead of entering randomly, I waited for price to reach the support zone and looked for confirmation that buyers were stepping back into the market. Once the setup was confirmed, I took a buy entry with a 5-minute expiration. The key here was patience. I didn't chase the market or enter in the middle of nowhere. I waited for price to come to my planned area and then took the trade based on the setup. Remember, successful trading is not about taking every trade. It's about waiting for the right opportunity. Stay patient, stay disciplined, protect your capital, and never let emotions control your decisions. One good setup is always better than multiple random entries. If you're looking for non-martingale signals, I provide signals based on high probability setups with a focus on disciplined risk management and quality over quantity. My goal is to help traders follow a structured approach instead of chasing the market or taking unnecessary risks. If you want to follow my signals and learn along the way, the link is available in the description. Join us, stay disciplined, and let's focus on making smarter trading decisions together. Remember, patience creates opportunities. Discipline protects your capital, and consistency builds progress. Now, let's watch what happened next.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out.
As you can see, price started moving in the expected direction, and after the 5-minute expiration, the trade closed in the money, a profitable trade. This is a great example of why having a trading plan and waiting for high-quality setups is so important. Remember, no strategy can guarantee profits on every trade. The goal is to manage risk, avoid emotional decisions, and only take setups that meet your trading criteria. Remember, no strategy can guarantee profits on every trade. The goal is to manage risk, avoid emotional decisions, and only take setups that meet your trading criteria. If you found this trade analysis useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Binary Trader for You, and turn on notifications for more trading setups and market analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Trade smart, stay patient, and protect your capital.